Okay, 3-138, we have to copy the number line into our paper. I've already took the privilege to just copy onto this document. Then we're going to label the following numbers on the line into the appropriate locations. We've done things like this in class before, so hopefully we remember the process. Since this is a number line, you guys told me in class that it's probably easiest to go ahead and use decimals. So let's go and convert these all to decimals. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the 3/5. Okay, so for A, 3/5. Okay, well, the easiest way to convert this to a decimal is we learned in chapter 5 that we could think of this as one whole having 5 sections, and it's divided, and we have 3 sections left. So we have 5 sections, divide by 3. Can't divide 5 into 3, so we're going to add the 0.0. 5 goes into 36 times. 6 times 5 is 30, so we have 6/10. So 6/10 would probably go somewhere here. This would be A. Okay, A goes right here. For B, 120%. Well, we know that 120% means 120 out of 100. And if we take out 100, because there's 100 whole pieces, we'll have one whole. That's 100 pieces, and we will have 20 left. 20 out of the 120 left because we took out 100, and it's still broken into 100 pieces. Okay, so we know that this is one whole. Okay, and 20 hundredths. One whole and 20 hundredths. So that's gonna go somewhere. This is 1.5 or 1.5, 1 5/10, so it's going to go somewhere around here. Okay, so B would be right there. Okay, C is actually already given to us. So C is 0 7/100ths. 0 7/100ths. Remember, there are no tenths. This is less than 1/10. So this is 5/10. 4/10 would be here, 3/10 here, 2/10 here, 1/10 here. So probably go somewhere around here. So this is 0 7/10. Okay, finally, D we have 1 2/3, and this is a little difficult. We are going to look at the 2/3. Okay, we have one whole, so we're not going to bother looking at that right now. We have the 2/3 we have to convert to a decimal. Okay, so again, it's out of 3 parts. We'll divide it into 2. 3 can't go into 2, so we'll put 0.0. 3 goes in 26 times. 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract that. Okay. We get 2. Drop the 0 down. Okay, drop the 0 down. 3 goes in 26 times again. And we'll notice it's going to repeat the same thing. That means the 6 is going to keep repeating on forever. Okay, so we'll go ahead and say that this is going to be, this 2/3 is going to be 67 hundredths. Okay, so we'll have 1, that's the one whole, and 67 hundredths. Okay, 1 67 hundredths. So that's going to mean it's more than 1 5/10. This is 1 6/10. So 1 67 hundredths will go somewhere here, and that's going to be D. Finally, E would is 83%. Okay, 83% means 83 out of 100, which is going to be 83 hundredths. 83 hundredths. Okay, so again, that's more than 5/10. That's less than one whole, so it's going to go somewhere around here. It's just under 9/10. Okay, so that would be E. F, let's take a look at, we have 1 2 3/10, and then 1 2 3 4 5 hundredths. Okay, so for F, again, we have 3/10 and 5 hundredths. So that just means we have 0 and 35 hundredths. This is the tenths, and this is the hundredths. Okay, so 0 and 35 hundredths. That's less than 5/10. So this is about 1, 2, 3/5. So we'll put it right around here somewhere, and that's going to be F. So we finished. We completed the number line. We completed the number line.